Another day, another story. Topic sentences, your secret tool for crafting winning pieces of writing. Topic sentences serve as a guide to readers, indicating the main idea of a paragraph. Typically, they are placed at the beginning of a paragraph and are used to organize ideas. Using topic sentences as a full plan for essays, narrative writing, and short and long answer questions is a great way to approach writing, especially for those who struggle to get their ideas across. This technique can be used for all subjects, not just English. From geography to history to science, you can use this process to maintain a clear and logical flow of ideas, making the writing process quicker and more efficient. Once the main ideas have been identified, they can be easily transformed into topic sentences, followed by supporting details. This method also helps to avoid repeating yourself. How to order your topic sentences. After you have identified your topic sentences, it's important to determine the most effective order to present them in. The order of your topic sentences can greatly impact the flow and coherence of your writing. One strategy is to consider the logical progression of your ideas and ensure that they build upon one another. This approach can help to create a smooth and logical flow of ideas throughout your writing. Another strategy is to consider the order of importance or relevance of your topic sentences. You might choose to present the most important or relevant idea first, or save it for last to leave a lasting impression on your reader. Ultimately, the order in which you present your topic sentences will depend on the specific context and goals of your writing. Experiment with different arrangements to find the most effective structure for your writing. In summary, deciding the order of your topic sentences is an important aspect of the writing process that can greatly impact the effectiveness and coherence of your writing. Here is an example of how to use topic sentences. Homelessness is a social problem that affects a significant population in our society. This topic sentence introduces the overall topic of homelessness and its impact on society. One of the leading causes of homelessness is poverty. This topic sentence provides a specific detail about the causes of homelessness. For many homeless people, life on the streets is a never-ending struggle for survival. This topic sentence explains the struggles that homeless people face. Homelessness not only affects the individuals but also the society as a whole. This topic sentence highlights the broader impact of homelessness on society. The government and non-governmental organizations have a crucial role to play in addressing this issue. This topic sentence discusses the responsibility of different entities in addressing homelessness. These topic sentences help to organize the text and provide a clear structure for the reader to follow. By using topic sentences, the author can effectively communicate information. Now with supporting details. Topic sentence: homelessness is a social problem that affects a significant population in our society. Homelessness is a complex issue that can have numerous causes, including poverty, unemployment, mental illness, addiction, and domestic violence. Homeless people often lack access to basic needs such as food, shelter, and healthcare, which can exacerbate their other problems. The number of homeless individuals and families has been increasing in many cities, which indicates a need for more effective solutions. Topic sentence: one of the leading causes of homelessness is poverty. Poverty can be caused by many factors, including a lack of education, discrimination, low-paying jobs, and systemic issues such as racism or sexism. Poverty can lead to homelessness because people cannot afford basic necessities such as housing and healthcare. Poverty can also cause other problems that increase the risk of homelessness, such as addiction or mental illness. Topic sentence: for many homeless people, life on the streets is a never-ending struggle for survival. Homeless people are often exposed to extreme weather conditions, violence, and disease, which can cause physical and mental health problems. Homeless people may face discrimination, harassment, and criminalization from the general public and law enforcement authorities. Topic sentence: homeless people often lack access to basic resources such as food, water, and hygiene facilities, which can exacerbate their other problems. Homelessness not only affects the individuals but also the society as a whole. Homelessness can increase the burden on public services such as healthcare, law enforcement, and emergency shelters. Homelessness can also contribute to social problems such as crime, drug addiction, and mental illness. Homelessness can have economic impacts such as decreased property values and decreased tourism in affected areas. Topic sentence. The government and non-governmental organizations have a crucial role to play in addressing this issue. Governments can implement policies such as affordable housing initiatives, social safety nets, and mental health programs to reduce homelessness. Non-governmental organizations can provide services such as emergency shelters, job training, and medical care to help homeless individuals. Private citizens can also contribute to the effort by volunteering time or donating money to organizations that work on the issue. How does Shakespeare portray Juliet as a strong character? Topic sentence style. Topic sentence. Despite her young age, Juliet demonstrates strength and resilience throughout the play. Juliet defies her family's expectations and societal norms by falling in love with Romeo, a member of the rival family. Juliet is willing to risk everything, including her own life, to be with Romeo and follow her heart. Juliet displays emotional strength and maturity in dealing with the challenges and crises that arise in the play. Juliet's intelligence and wit are key aspects of her strength as a character. Topic sentence. Juliet uses her intelligence to navigate complex social and emotional situations, such as her interactions with her family and Romeo. Juliet's cleverness is also evident in her use of wordplay and metaphor to express her feelings and ideas. Juliet's sharp wit allows her to stand up for herself and challenge others who try to control or manipulate her. Topic sentence. Juliet's independence and agency are characteristics that make her a strong and compelling character. Juliet actively participates in making decisions that affect her life, rather than simply following the expectations of others. Juliet takes action to assert her agency, action or intervention producing a particular effect, such as when she fakes her own death to escape a forced marriage. Juliet's independence is a key factor in her tragic fate, as it puts her at odds with the patriarchal society in which she lives. Thanks for watching. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe, like and share. The HNL Way.